Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set GIFs to your team members and contacts in your Slack workspace really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to your workspace on Slack and let's assume you would like to send a contact of yours a GIF through a direct message on the left hand side. So let me go with that contact here. Basically all you will need to do, guys, is start a new message by using the text box here at the bottom and type in the command / and then Giphy, just like that. And after that, simply enter the name of the given GIF you would like to send it. You will also see a preview of the given GIF before you can send it by clicking on that button here in the bottom right corner or by pressing enter on your keyboard so that you don't send any of these GIFs accidentally. However, guys, if you don't see that command here, /Giphy, don't worry, because you can install the Giphy application and add it to your Slack library really quickly. If you haven't done that yet, simply head over to your workspace and select Add Apps here at the bottom or from the bottom of that panel on the left hand side, and use the app library here and specifically the search bar to search for Giphy. So if you haven't done it yet, simply type in Giphy just like that, and you will see it amongst the available apps below. So simply click on install here. That is going to redirect you to the installation page of Giphy, guys. If you haven't done that yet, Giphy will ask you, for example, to install it through an installation button here. Now, I have already installed it, so I don't see that button, but you will see it here. And after that, it will ask you, for example, to enable Giphy previews here so that you don't send any GIFs you wouldn't like to send accidentally. And you will also be given the opportunity to choose a variety or from a variety of integration settings here, like general audiences, and so on and so forth. So let me go with general audiences here just for the sake of this tutorial. Confirm by clicking on Save Integration here. And as you can see, your settings have been saved. So once that's done, guys, simply close that tab, head back to your homepage here on Slack. So guys, what you want to do after that is, for example, use that option here, find and share a GIF, for instance. So select it with your left mouse. That is going to open up that window for you. So you can use the search bar and search for a specific GIF under specific search terms. So let me type in, for instance, funny cat or something like that. You have up to 1000 characters for that search bar. So click on search here. And after that, simply, use that funny cat GIF here, for example, or click on shuffle to find a new one. And that's simply it, guys. You can share the given, you can use that GIF, for example, for a message with your contact by clicking on share here. And that is going to add the given GIF to your conversation or chat history with the given contact here. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.